So hello and welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how to make ticket system. So guys, I have set up the database. So first of all, this is our panel, the ticket panel. It will have the name of the name of the panel, and guild ID, and index equals to the number of tickets, and message means the message ID where the panel is created, and the moderators and the band role, like the users who cannot use this ticket. And this ticket model, that is tickets.js, and maybe we can rename it to panel, but it depends on you guys. I just named it tickets, and the ticket thing is the normal ticket of a user. It includes the panel name, like from which panel it belongs, and the channel id, guild id, user id, and whether it is closed or not. So it is pretty simple and easy. So let's, in this video, well, in starting I will set up the backend stuff. So we will start by creating another interaction create event. It will be interaction create.c.js. So let's begin real quick and do not waste any time. Tickets. So guys, first of all I will start by importing our models from our model directory. Of course, the tickets will be this, and then we are going to define our ticket. Well, the tickets is the panel and ticket is our normal ticket. So now we will do module.export is equals to a function which gets client and the interaction. Be simple, and of course I will make it async because I'm going to fetch the database, and we are just gonna return if interaction is not a button. So we will do this and wait a sec. And by the way guys, do not miss this this terminate, sorry, not terminate, this exclamatory mark. So first of all I'm going to get the data of the panel by doing this await tickets dot find one, and for find one I'm just gonna do guild will be, well, to be honest I don't really have to provide the guild, but I'm just gonna do that for safety so that we do not do anything wrong. Well, by wrong I mean it do not cause any bug. Interaction.message.id. So we are just getting a ticket which have same guild and same message, and after that we are going to get the member, like who used this thing. So for that I will just do interaction.guild.members.cache.get, and id will be interaction.user.id. So now first of all I have to check if the user have any band role. For that we will just do data.band.sum, and it get this. So v is the list, v is in role id. For that we will just do member.roles.cache dot, oh my goodness, cache y dot has v. So this function will, well, this statement will be true when user have any of the band roles. Then we will just do return interaction dot reply. Well, I'm sorry for the background voice if it is coming, but anyways, let's get some overrides ready. Well, like we will need to add some overrides for our channel. So what are these overrides? First of all we have to provide the id. First of all we are going to provide the id for the everyone role, and type is set it to role, and we are denying the view channel permission because the ticket is just for a particular user. And then we are providing the user id in the second override, and the type is member. Pretty easy. And now we are just gonna loop through all of the moderators. Well, how to spell moderator? And by the way guys, I have set up all of this stuff in our tickets database if you forgot. All right, so let's just do dot for each. Well, overrides over, how to spell, rides dot push. First of all the id will be v, and we are going to allow them to view the channel, view dash channel, and we are going to, well, the type is member, and let's just do this terminate. So now we have all the overrides ready. We just have to create a channel. For that we will just do await interaction dot guild dot channels dot create, and then first of all we have to provide the name. For that I will just do ticket dash and the ticket number. For that I will just do data dot, well, how I'm supposed to get that number of tickets? Oh, my bad, I know, well, it is fine. I will just do data dot index, because if you remember I added this thing here. So data dot index is equals to the id, and this is it for the name. Well, let me add one thing, +1, and now we have to provide the options. So first of all I'm going to provide a reason for ticket system, and then we are going to provide few more things. First of all, type will be guild dash text, and then we have to provide permission overrides. Permission overrides. Well, we are supposed to do permission overrides, and we will provide these overrides we created over here, these one. Okay, well, I spelled it wrong, my bad. Well, everything is ready, we created the channel. Now we just have to inform the user. Let me inform the user. We just have to create some tickets. I mean, we have to create some entries in our database. We will just do this pretty easily. First of all, we are gonna update our panel by doing this. Find one and update function, and here we will just do message equals to, well, I'm just gonna copy this filter from here, and then wait a sec. Okay, and bam, and now we just have to provide the thing we want to change. For that, I will use the increment operator. The increment operator, and we have to increment the index by 1. Alright, it is pretty easy. I hope you understand it. And my dog is really stupid because it is creating background voices for some unknown reason, and I really hate it. But anyways, just create a ticket, and the channel ID is equals to this channel ID, and the guild ID is equals to interaction dot guild ID. And guys, if you have any problem in this code, you can just hop on my Discord server and ask me about it. And if I'm offline, just wait for some time. And we are gonna do data.panel. Bam. So guys, our interaction thing is ready. Of all, I will just go in command, and I'm gonna create a admin level command, and I will name it tickets.js. So the name of our first option will be create. This will be used for creating the panels, and its type will be 1, that is the subcommand type. And we're gonna add a description, and I will name it, let me think, create a ticket panel. Bam. Well, I wish I added all of this stuff to my Discord bot instead of creating these things. And we are gonna add some options. Well, we are just going to add a single option, and it will be wait, and by the way guys, do not change these names, because if you are changing these names, you will need to change lot of stuff in the code forward. All right, so name will be panel dash name, and then we just have to provide few more stuff, which I'm just gonna copy paste because that is a lot of work. I'm adding the description of our option. It will be the name of your of the panel you want to create. Type is 3, required is 2. And by the way guys, it is required. Do not make the mistake. So this is it. Now we have created our first option, and bam, we are done. Well, it will take some more time, then we will be done. So first of all, we are going to get what kind of command they are using, whether create, remove, or anything. So for that, I will just do const command is equals to what, well, interaction dot options dot get sub command. I hope it works, because if it do not, then it is going to suck. And then we are going to get the name of the panel. It will be why did I did that to me? Anyways, it will be interaction dot options dot get string, and it will be panel dash name. So guys, I added the same name, I mean the panel dash name, to each and every option which refers to name of the panel. All right, so that we can do everything easily without adding lot of shit code. And then channel will be interaction dot options dot get channel, and to be honest, we can just use get, but I just prefer to type everything because it is just my habit now. Data is equals to await, what is it, panels, no, tickets dot find one, and then we will provide them the guild ID. This is it. Now we have all of our constants we needed. Now we have to configure stuff accordingly. So for example, if command is equals to the create command, then what are we supposed to do? First of all, we will check if a panel with this name already exists. We will do by doing this, and if it already exists, we are just gonna throw a error. So we are doing this, and then we just have to create a panel. Wait a sec. Tickets dot create, and we need to provide some data, and the data is pretty simple. We just have to provide the name and the guild ID. It will be interaction dot guild ID. Pretty easy, don't you agree? So we have created our panel. Now we have to inform the user that we successfully created it. So this is it. That's how our create command will work. And now I will just copy it and make a else if statement for remove. So if data do not exist, then you just have to say you do not have a panel with this name. Well, if you want to delete a panel, then it should exist. So now instead of tickets.create, I will just do find one and delete, and then we are just gonna say I deleted the panel with this name. And then after create and delete, here comes the start panel. So I will just do start, and then we have to do a lot of stuff here. First of all, we have to check if it do not exist. Then we will say you do not have a panel with this name, and then we have to check if let me show you. If channel.type is not equals to guild dash text, then we are just gonna return, just for your, so that you can easily do the stuff. I will do const embed is equals to new message embed, and we are importing this class from our discord.js module. And by the way guys, this is required, not required. I'm so stupid. Alright, so I will just do discord.js, bam, simple. Message embed is there, new message embed, bam. So now we have to set few stuff. First of all, the title, and the title will be let me think, envelope. Yep, click on envelope to create a ticket, and bam. So our embed is ready. Now we have to create some components, or I should say the buttons. And if you do not know how to create buttons, and if you want to learn that, just watch my video and let me get a few more classes. Message action row, please, message action row and a message button from our discord.js library. So I will do new message action row. Please give me a suggestion. I don't want to type that thing myself. I fucking hate this shit. I hate this Visual Studio Code nowadays. New message row, and then we are gonna add a component, and it will be a message button. So what is let me think, do we need to do anything else? Nope, we do not. New message button, and then we are gonna set few important things like custom ID. To be honest guys, you can do stuff like panel dash your panel name, then it will be pretty easy for you. But you know man, I'm stupid and I don't like to become too efficient, so I just do ticket button, so that I'm just, well, to be honest, I just don't want to use the custom ID. That's why I'm doing that. But doing that panel thing will be pretty better for you if you ask me. Then just set the label and name it create ticket, and then we are just gonna set an emoji, and it will be the envelope emoji, this one. Do we need to add anything? Yep, the style, it will be set style, and it will be primary. Okay, primary, primary. Okay, everything is done. Now we just have to send the message. So we will do channel $.send, and I added the question mark just for surety. Embeds will be an array of this embed, and then we will add components, and it will be array of this row. Pretty simple, I will say. And after that, we are just going to add a .then function, and here this value refers to the message we just sent, and we don't really need that. And I will just do await tickets dot find one and update it. And here what we are going to do is, first of all, we are going to provide the guild, so that, well, first of all, we are just going to find the panel and the name, and then we are going to wait, and then we are gonna add another object, and we are gonna change some stuff like message is equals to v.id. So we are done, we did it, and now we just have to do interaction dot edit reply, and we will just say content successfully started the panel with name $name. Pretty easy. And let's just provide the channel name too. Wait a second. In $channel dot to string right, and we are just gonna add a catch function, so that for example if let me do it unable to send the message in the channel is already mentioned. So guys, these are our panel management commands. Now let's set up the command for our ticket management. First of all, we are just gonna do const ticket data is equals to await ticket dot find one, and we're gonna provide the channel ID. Channel is equals to interaction dot channel dot ID. Well, I can just do channel ID, but I'm not 100% sure if that is possible because I forgot. Of course, I cannot learn the code. And then I'm just gonna do if it is not available, this means that this provided channel is not a ticket. So I will just do return const user is equals to interaction dot guild wait a second, why am I doing this? Let me think. Okay, so guild dot members dot cache dot get, and then we are just gonna provide what we are going to provide. Yep, ticket data dot user. So we are just getting the member object of this ticket user, and then if the command is equals to close, then we are just gonna close the ticket. But before that, we are going to do a little bit of stuff, but to save time I'm just gonna copy paste it. So first of all, we are checking if the ticket is closed.
So guys, my laptop died, but anyways, we are just creating some permission overrides for the channel by denying the user to view the channel and send messages. And then we are updating our ticket and we are setting it as close, and then we are informing the user that we did all of that. So now we are just gonna create one for reopen. So guys, now we have created one for reopen, and now let's create one for deleting it. Let me do this. Wait a second. Delete. By the way, guys, I just inverted this command from this old one. All right. And in delete one, we are not gonna bother about anything at all. We are just gonna say a small little thing. Let me do this real quick. Did in few seconds. And now just do a small little thing. Let me show you. Await ticket dot find one and delete channel will be, and then this will be deleted. And just to give them a bit more time, I will do await new promise resolve, set the timeout for this resolve to be 2000 seconds. Pretty simple. And then we're just gonna do from database, but I was unable to delete this channel. So guys, everything is created except for add moderator and remove moderator and add band member and other stuff. I will do that in the next part, but now let's just test all of this shit real quick. Node dot enter. Okay guys, there is a small little bug. Let me check it out. It is probably acing a weird thing. Yep, just like I expected. Let me fix this thing real quick. Let's see. Okay guys, client is up. Now I have to test the things out. Let's just start by creating a ticket. Ticket start. Well, first of all, we will create a ticket. Let me ticket create hello, and then we will try to create the ticket hello once more. So that you can see that we have a good error handling. You can see. So now let's just start our ticket. Ticket start hello. and channel will be this bots channel. Alright guys, make sure that you guys are importing these modules and these classes, and then you are doing all of this properly. Set custom ID, set the label, emoji, and then the style to be primary. So after that we can go on Discord and do our testing shit. But anyways, ticket start panel name is hello. Okay, I hope capital will work. Probably not, but let's test it out. Bots, bam. I'm expecting good stuff. Alright. Lol, it was really funny. I should make it, well, I probably it is fine. Let's just do bots and let's just check it out what will happen. So guys, ticket is created. I'm in the panel. So if we click on here, you will see that a small little ticket is created right here. And bam, dude, this says ticket created successfully. Let's make it ephemeral. Otherwise, it will be really stupid to see that thing spammed. Anyways, go to interaction 3 and in here just add ephemeral, MERA. Alright, I fixed the spelling and I'm really stupid, so I forgot to show you Discord once more. Let me show you that we can delete the tickets. Ticket delete, bam, and now ticket will be deleted. Trust me, it will be deleted anytime. Bam, it is deleted. And of course, we can make more tickets just by clicking this. And now this time, this message will be ephemeral. All right, I forgot. I didn't reloaded the bot. I'm so stupid. All right, now I reloaded the bot. This time it will be formal. Trust me, it will be. It should be. So you can see it is informal. So now we have created lots of ticket. Now let me show you the thing about. Well, first of all, check the audit log. And you can see that there are no override thing here. So if I just do close ticket, all right, slash ticket space close, bam, now you will see, well, bot says nothing because bot is gay. Well, my bad. Well, let me show you a small thing. We have to fix something in our ticket.js, that await thing once more. Well, this is a constant thing. Ticket data is equals to await find one. Dude, why it is ticket data is equals to? Are you stupid? I just have to do await find one. Why didn't you guys told me this? Why was I doing this shit, man? But anyways, it is fixed now. Let's open Discord once more. Right, let's go. So let me show you one thing. If we do slash ticket delete in this channel, then it will not work. I hope it do not. See, this is not a ticket channel. Dude, it would be really funny if that thing worked in that channel. But anyways, if we close the ticket now, ticket close, you will see a small little error. Well, not an error, it says ticket is already closed. Why? Because the ticket was closed in this thing. So anyways, if we do slash ticket reopen, now you will see that, well, show me something, please. I'm waiting. All right. What? Dude, I am such an stupid guy. Instead of typing false, I typed FALE. How is this possible? But anyways, I did note out once more. Let me show you Discord once more. And I'm really sorry for these small bugs. But you know, man, I'm stupid a bit. So this happens. Well, bam, ticket is now reopened. Let me show you the audit log real quick. Audit log, you can see first of all they reset the permission and then they granted me the permission. I am the owner, so it doesn't really matter if they do anything with my permission. But the thing is, this shit works. So this is it for this video. I don't want to make it too long. In the next video, I will teach you few stuff, like how to set limits to the tickets, like every user can have maximum 2 tickets and stuff like that, and how to add moderator rule, how to add band rule, and probably one or two more thing if I got them in my mind. But thanks a lot for watching. I will meet you in another video, and I'm really sorry if my voice sucks or if the background voice sucks. But anyways, bye for now. Like, and you can of course join my Discord server for help, and bye.